It's basically like the Honda Civic of 2020. Like what a Honda Accord was back in like 1997 is essentially the same thing. So basically, so as you can see from that turn that we did, that was like butter, and I was like and I can just precisely pinpoint where the wheel is going to go. And of course this has like memory adjust seating. I currently have it in the active driving position. I also have a laid back driving position as well. You cannot change it while you're driving, which is very interesting. It's one of the quirks of this car. I don't understand why you can't use your memory seats while you're driving. But yeah, there you go. So very nice and just a sunny day today. I basically got this car for the exterior styling because it is totally me. It's the A-Spec edition, so it has the dual exhausts chromed out. So like, if I was gonna buy any car, I might as well go big. Like, I might as well spend some money so that it like looks nice, because you know, you can always make more money. Determined to make more money, right? So it's all clean, and yeah, so it has LED lights. This is the outgoing model, so it doesn't look like, you know, like the best, but like it's getting pretty dated. Like it's like the July thing. It's pretty common now. You can see it in a lot of models of other manufacturers. But it doesn't matter. All I needed were LED lights. So this car also has lane keep assist and radar detection, so it can semi-drive itself, which is great. Okay, so like yeah. Is essentially a pavement princess. I'm never going to take this thing off-road or anything like that ever again. I do enough off-roading in my job to know that it's not that fun. I mean, it's not that comfortable, so that's why this is purely for luxury. It has everything that you would want. It has heated steering wheel, heated seats. It does not have ventilated seats. That's in the technology package. But whatever. Who cares? Now, I could have chose the Honda Accord, but like the interior like looks more modern, but the materials are not. There's more plastic in it, and like this is just a nice place to sit. These are great seats. These are like so I think I can just set the cruise control now, and just let the car drive itself, or semi-drive itself. 4-cylinder engine has a lot of bottom end torque, so it doesn't really ever feel slow. The exhaust note, it's apparently artificial, but it sounds adequate and good enough. I don't need it super loud. I just need to know that there's a little bit of grunt behind it, and it does sound good. And also, this does not have start-stop. That's only in the six-cylinder model. So this does have brake hold, which is also a great feature. So I've driven this car for about 33 hours and 45 minutes off the showroom floor, and I've been averaging about 9.9 liters per 100 kilometers, which is fantastic. I was driving a piece of shit Honda Accord in 1997, and that was a 4-cylinder as well, and this basically beats that level of efficiency, because I don't know what was wrong with that car, but it didn't really, it wasn't modern, so it couldn't efficiently process the fuel as well as this car can, I guess. But this car only takes premium fuel, so 91 only. Fuck, I forgot to. Jesus. So I'm gonna open the sunroof. So I forgot to circulate the air, so I got a whiff of unburnt fuel, and now I have a headache. That's awesome. Everything on the exterior is great. The stock details on the exterior are great. It's very aggressive looking. The only con is that the rear turn signals are halogen, but everything else is LED. So they did cheap out on the turn signals on the back, but that's about it. Currently in Surrey, King George Boulevard or whatever, and it's probably one of the rougher neighborhoods of the Greater Vancouver Regional District. People who don't really have their lives together for whatever reason. But yeah, life is tough, man. But there is a lot of rich people out there, and nobody seems to want to give it to everybody else. This is a capitalist nation, so everybody's hoarding money and shit. So why did I decided to lease it because I just wanted the experience of buying a new car. And Acura, as a brand, has did a phenomenal job of creating a pleasurable buying experience. And I didn't want like an older car creating a vehicle because I'm just so sick and tired of driving older vehicles. And so good, man. So good, so good, so good. Alright, so here we are at the grocery store. Wow. It's very busy right now. Okay, one of the problems of having a new car is like you don't want to park next to anybody because they can ding your door. It's not good. Okay, we're here. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, that's still recording. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the driving portion of my review. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe, and comment down below what you guys think of my purchase. I really think this is really only a broad overview. I can go into a whole bunch of more details about this car, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the test drive of this Acura TLX 2020, and I'll see you guys next time.